What's the meaning of annualized? Annualized. 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 Annualized.
Annualized refers to the process of taking a rate or number observed for a time period that is shorter than 1 year and extrapolating it to an annual figure. This is done in order to make it easier to compare results across different time periods, especially when they are not of equal length. For example, if a company earns a profit of $100,000 over 3 months, the annualized profit would be $400,000. This allows for a better understanding of the overall financial performance of a business or investment over time.